whether it's cleaning for the start of the season, midsummer maintenance, or dusting up for storage. We'll show you how to easily clean your tower fans with little fuss. During everyday use, your tower fans slowly collect dust along all vents and fan blades. The longer dust and debris accumulate, the harder it is to clean. So we recommend doing this periodically to keep the dust light. To get started, all you need is one of these compressed air duster cans. Make sure you do this outdoors so you don't get dust all over your room. First, turn the fan on and put it to its highest fan setting. From the back side of the fan, start blowing the compressed air through the vent slots. The pressure from the air duster will help loosen the dust, enabling it to blow away freely. Do be careful not to accidentally stick the straw hose into the fan blades. Make sure you work your way through the entire fan from top to bottom. Do this every few weeks to keep your tower fan nice and tidy. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.